Ask a sticker seller what one sticker costs them, and you'll usually get the sheet price divided by how many they cut. It's a reasonable guess, and it's always too low. Three things sit between those two numbers, and every one of them is already paid for. First, a printer can't reach the edges of a sheet, so a nominal 12-inch square is nearer 11.5 by 11 inches of usable area. Second, bleed in the gutter you leave between pieces make every sticker bigger than its finished size. And third, some of what you cut, a misprint, a wandering cut, a lifted corner, will never be sellable. The yield calculator is the tab nothing free will do for you. Give it a piece size, the bleed you print, and the gap between pieces, and it counts whole pieces across and down the sheet, shows how much of that sheet ends up as trim waste, and divides the loaded sheet cost. Stock plus ink plus laminate, buy the pieces you can actually sell. A 3-inch round, 9 to a sheet. And because a circle covers only about 4/5 of its square, nearly half that sheet never becomes product at all. 19 cents per good sticker. Then change one number. Tighten the gutter on a 2-inch round from 1/8 of an inch to a 1/16, and a 5th row appears. 25 pieces from the same sheet instead of 20, and 20% off your cost per sticker permanently. The same sticker as a kiss cut on a backing card. Same stock, same spoilage. Fits only 12 to the sheet, so it costs 67% more to make. Here's the part that reframes everything. On a $3.75 die-cut single, the material is 19 cents, and your own hands are 73. Postage and the marketplace take 40% of the order. Postage and fees are close to fixed per order, so they eat a cheap item alive. That is the whole reason packs, sheets, and prints exist. The design dashboard rolls your sales up by design, by channel, and by product form, and flags each design a bestseller, steady, an underperformer, or a dead design. The print run and waste log does the same for production. Sheets in, good pieces out, rejects counted. And it flags each run on plan, over plan, or well over plan. In the example, one run came in 28% over its planned cost per good piece because a quarter of it was unsellable, and another cut only 18 pieces a sheet against a planned 20. Every listing has a discount at which it earns you exactly nothing, and it's different for every listing. You can take 56% off a single that charges for shipping, but only 22 off that same sticker shipped free, because absorbing postage is a price cut you already made. It nets a buy 3 get 1 order properly, and it back solves the pack price that matches singles. A 5-pack listed at $12 would need to be $14.24. 9 tabs that work in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, plus 5 PDF guides and printable bench sheets. It's an instant download, preloaded with a worked example you overwrite with your own designs. The figures shown are illustrative. You measure and enter your own. Own it once instead of renting a subscription. From Ardent Workshop.